Welcome to Online Income 101, 10 Passive Ways to Make Money Online for Beginners. In this video, we will cover 10 different passive income streams that require little effort to set up and can help you earn money online. Whether you're looking for extra cash on the side or hoping to replace your full-time income, these methods can help you reach your financial goals. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income online. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you make. You can promote products through your blog, social media accounts, or email marketing campaigns. Many companies offer affiliate programs that you can sign up for, and it's a great way to earn money without actually having to create a product yourself. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular subject, you can write an ebook and sell it on Amazon or other online platforms. Once you've written the book, all you have to do is promote it and watch the money roll in. eBooks are a great way to share your knowledge with others and earn passive income at the same time. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, it can generate passive income for years to come. Many people are willing to pay for courses that can teach them a new skill or help them advance in their career. If you're a photographer, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. Once your photos are uploaded, they can generate income every time someone downloads them. This is a great way to earn passive income if you enjoy photography as a hobby. Investing in dividend stocks is a passive way to earn money through the stock market. Dividend stocks pay a portion of their profits to investors, and this can provide a steady stream of passive income. Keep in mind that investing always carries some level of risk, so make sure to do your research before investing in any stocks. YouTube is a great platform for creating content and earning passive income through advertising revenue. You can create a channel on any topic that interests you and start uploading videos. Once you've built an audience, you can monetize your channel through advertising and sponsorships. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell a product without actually holding any inventory. You list the items on your website or storefront, and when someone makes a purchase, the manufacturer ships the item directly to the customer. This is a great way to earn passive income without having to worry about inventory management. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create a digital product like a template or graphic design and sell it on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. Once the product is listed, it can generate passive income for years to come. Real estate is a popular way to earn passive income through rental income or property appreciation. If you have the capital to invest, you can purchase a rental property and generate monthly passive income through rent payments. Keep in mind that real estate investing can be complicated and carries risks, so make sure to do your research. That's it for our list of 10 passive ways to make money online for beginners. As you can see, there are many different methods for earning passive income, and the key is to find something that fits your interests and expertise. Remember that passive income takes time and effort to set up, but once it's rolling in, it can provide financial stability and freedom.